Everyone, I am Anmol Shatkar from Civil Department, Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. I am going to present on the topic chilled beams in building design under the guidance of Mr. Tyagraj KJ, Assistant Professor from Civil Department, Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. The overview of the project is uh, introduction, literature review, utilization of chilled beams, methodology, applications, advantages of chilled beams, disadvantages of chilled beams, conclusion, references. Intro of the topic is a form of HVAC system that is gaining popularity for environmental friendly building design is chilled beams. They provide an environmentally friendly and energy efficient replacement for conventional HVAC systems, which can save building operating costs and enhance indoor air quality. Cooled water is circulated via a system of pipes in the ceiling or walls of a structure to power chill beams. Convection occurs as the cool water travels through the pipes, cooling the surrounding air, which is then recirculated inside the structure. Chiller beam operates at low air volumes, lowering energy consumption and enhancing interior air quality, in contrast to conventionally HVAC systems that employ huge air volumes to disperse cool air. The energy efficiency of chilled beams is one of its main benefits. Due to their great cooling capacity and low air volume, chilled beams can use up to 60% less energy than conventional HVAC systems. Because of the potential long term cost savings on energy bills, they are a desirable alternative for sustainable building energy. Further advantages of chilled beams include increased sustainability, less noise, flexible installation, and better interior air quality. They can be employed in a variety of building kinds and layouts, including workplaces, medical facilities, educational institutes, and retail establishments. Going to literature review, the first literature review is Performance of Chilled Beam Systems in Non-Residential Buildings, a literature review by M.K. Alam and M.R. Islam. Many research on the effectiveness of chilled beam systems in non-residential buildings were examined for their review. The researchers discovered that chilled beams have several advantages such as increased energy effectiveness, decreased noise levels, and enhanced indoor air quality. They did, however, also point out that chilled beams can be pricey to install and need precise design to achieve optimal performance. A literature review of chill beam technology in commercial buildings by R. Zhu, K. Yang, and Zili. In particularly, chill beam technology in commercial buildings was the subject of this review. According to the authors, chill beams can save up to 40% energy than conventional HVAC systems. They added that chill beams can lower noise levels and enhance interior air quality, but careful design and commissioning are necessary to assure their best performance. Chill beams in non-residential buildings, a literature review by M.F. Ismail, H.R. Atkinson, and M.A. Aobi. With a focus on thermal comfort and indoor air quality, this review examined chill beams' performance in non-residential buildings. The researchers discovered that chill beams can offer good thermal comfort and indoor quality, but for them to work at their best, precise design and commissionings are necessary. Also, they mentioned that although chill beams can be more precise to install than conventional HVAC systems, they can provide significant long-term energy savings. Moving to next literature survey, chilled beam systems for energy efficient buildings, a review of recent research by Elbaz Al Nasir, Ahmad Al Zafarni, which was released on October 2021. This review of the literature concentrates on the most recent studies on chill beam systems for energy efficient structures. The author examined over 60 research on chill beam systems, including design, performance, and optimization, that were written between 2018 and 21. According to the authors, chill beam systems are becoming more and more well liked as an energy efficient replacement for conventional HVAC systems, particularly in commercial buildings, due to their capacity to disperse cooling by natural convection and radiation. Chill beams can reduce energy usage by up to 50% when compared to conventional systems. The assessment also highlights current advancement in chilled beams technology, including the use of technology controls and sensors to maximize performance and the incorporation of renewable energy sources like solar and geothermal. Utilization of chilled beams. HVAC heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems, known as chilled beams, are used to cool indoor spaces by circulating chilled water through a system of pipes, usually installed in the ceilings. These chill beams operate by convention to cool the air around them. The utilization of chill beam offers several benefits over traditional HVAC systems, including energy efficiency, because chill beams have a larger cooling capacity and a lower air volume. They can consume up to 60% less energy than conventional HVAC systems. Air quality is improved since chill beams don't circulate air, which lowers the quantity of allergens and contaminants in the air. Decreased noise. Because chill beams do not require large noisy fans, they are often quieter than conventional HVAC systems. Flexibility. Chill beams can be incorporated into many different buildings types and layouts, including open plan workplaces, hospitals, schools, and laboratories. Cost saving. By optimating the requirement for substantial ductwork and air handling devices, chill beams can lower building costs. You can go through the peaks of chill beams. The methodology of chill beams involves the design, installation, and operation of a chill beam HVAC system. The following are some key elements of the methodology. Design. The design of a chill beam system includes figuring out the building's cooling load requirements and picking the right chill beam type, size, and position. During the design phase, it is also necessary to take temperature, water flow rate, and airflow rate into account. Installation. Integrating the system into the building's current HVAC system is a necessary step in the installation of chill beams. This usually entails installing diffusers or nozzles, sending chilled water pipes through the walls or ceilings, and linking the system to a central chiller or cooling tower. Operation. Chiller beams must be monitored and controlled in order to function at its best and use the least amount of energy to maintain a cozy indoor climate. This often entails regulating the water flow rate, temperature, and airflow rate as necessary. Maintenance. In order to guarantee optimal performance and energy efficiency, chill beam systems must undergo regular maintenance. Maintenance include routinely cleaning the diffusers or nozzles, checking for leaks in the chilled water pipes, and keeping an eye on the system performance to spot any potential problems. Types of chill beam are passive chill beams. A chill beam system that does not need mechanical ventilation or air handling system is known as passive chill beam system. As an alternative, they use natural convection to spread cooled air throughout the area. Passive chill beams are often put in a building ceiling or walls and are made up of a number of fins or tubes through which chilled water flows. A natural convection current is produced when chilled water running via passive chill beams cools the surrounding area, which sinks and is then replenished by warmer air. This air helps distribute air throughout the space without the need for any additional mechanical ventilation equipment. The benefits of passive chill beams include enhanced interior air quality, reduced noise levels, and energy economy. They consume a lot less energy than conventional HVAC system, lowering running costs and enhancing building sustainability as they don't need any mechanical ventilation or air handling equipment. Passive chill beams are perfect for applications where noise is an issue because they operate at low noise levels. Unfortunately, not all building types or users are appropriate for passive chill beams. They might not work well in rooms with high thermal loads since they need a high ceiling height to allow for natural air movement. However, ideal performance and energy efficient depend on correct design, installation, and maintenance. In general, passive beam provide an environmental friendly and cost effective cooling option that can enhance interior air quality and reduce noise levels. They can work well in a variety of building types and combinations with correct design, installation, and maintenance. Going with active chilled beams, a specific kind of chilled beam system called beams uses mechanical ventilation to disperse cooled air throughout a structure. Active chilled beams, in contrast to passive chilling, induce room air to flow over the cooling coil using a tiny quantity of pushed air to give conditioned air to the space. This air is then combined with the primary air from the central air handling unit. A primary air duct, a diffuser, and a heating or cooling coil are the typical components of an active chilled beam. The primary air duct brings fresh air into the room, while the heating or cooling coil is utilized to cool or heat the water that circulates through the beam. The diffuser aids in spreading the heated or cooled air across the air. Active chill beams have a number of benefits such as enhanced indoor air quality, energy efficiency, and individual temperature control. Compared to conventional HVAC system, they utilize less energy, which lowers running costs and increases building sustainability. Active chill beams helps improve indoor air quality by supplying the air with clean outside air. Active chill beams also offer individual temperature control, allowing users to customize the temperature to their personal requirements. However, for active chill beams to work at their best and use the least amount of energy, precise design and installation are necessary. The heating or cooling coil must be adequately sized to offer adequate cooling or heating capacity, and the air handling system must be approximately sized to give adequate airflow to the room. In general, active chill beams offer a cooling solution that is both effective and energy efficient and can improve indoor air quality while allowing for individualized temperature control. They can work well in a variety of building types and combinations with correct design, installation, and maintenance. You can go through the pics of passive chill beam and active chill beam. Radiant chill beams. A particular kind of chill beam system called radiant chill beams uses convective air movement along with radiant heat transfer to cool an area. Typically, they are put in a building walls or ceilings as a series of tubes or panels. These chilled water filled tubes or panels, which are commonly composed of copper or aluminum, cool the surrounding air through radiant heat transfer. The surrounding air cools as it passes through the radiant chill beams, sinks, and is subsequently replenished by warmer air, generating a natural convection current. The convective air flows spread cooled air evenly throughout the area. Radiant chill beams have a number of benefits, including decreased noise level, enhanced indoor air quality, and energy economy. They are more energy efficient than conventional HVAC system, which lowers running costs and increase building sustainability. By bringing in fresh outside air, radiant cool beams helps improve the quality of the air inside the building. They also run quietly, which makes them perfect for applications where noise is a concern. However, for the best performance and energy economy, radiant chill beams need precise design and installation. They might not be appropriate for rooms with low ceilings or heavy thermal loads. For maximum performance and energy efficiency, periodic maintenance is also essential. Overall, radiant beams provide an eco-friendly and cost-effective cooling option that can enhance indoor air quality and reduce noise. They can work well in a variety of building types and combinations with correct design, installation, and maintenance. Applications. In many commercial, institutional, and industrial construction applications where cooling is necessary, chill beams are frequently used. The following are some typical uses for chill beams. Offices. In open plan offices where individual temperature control is required, chill beams are frequently employed in office buildings. They are a preferred option for contemporary workplace design since they may deliver quiet, energy efficient cooling without producing draughts or noise. Hospitals and laboratories. Chilled beams can be utilized in settings like this where temperature control and air quality are important. They can aid in lowering the danger of airborne pollutants and offer exact temperature control for delicate equipment. Education facilities. To offer chilling in lecture halls, classrooms, and other learning areas, chilled beams can be utilized in school, universities, and other educational establishments. They can offer quiet, energy efficient cooling without making noise or drafts, improving the comfort of both students and teacher in the classroom. Hotels and resorts. To offer cooling in guest rooms, common areas, and other locations, hotels and resorts can employ chilled beams. They may provide quiet, energy efficient cooling without making noise or draughts, making the environment for visitors more cozy, and tranquil. Data center. To help control the temperature and humidity levels that are essential for the efficient operation of computer equipment, chill beams can be utilized in data centers. A more stable and dependable computing environment can be created by their ability to provide accurate temperature management without making noise or causing droughts. Advantages: energy efficiency. Due to high Due to their higher cooling capacity and reduced air volume, chill beams are up to 60% more energy efficient than conventional HVAC system. Over time, this result is significant cost savings on energy bills. Increased indoor air quality. By lowering the concentration of allergens and pollutants, chill beams, unlike conventional HVAC systems, improve indoor air quality by not recirculating air. For those who live in the building, this may result in improved productivity and wellness. Reduce noise. Because chilled beams do not require large noisy fans, they are often quieter than conventional HVAC system. The occupants of the building may enjoy more pleasant and effective working conditions as a result. Flexibility. Chilled beams can be incorporated into many different building types and layouts, including open plan workplaces, hospitals, schools, and laboratories. Also, they are simple to integrate with other HVAC systems such as heat recovery or underfloor heating. Savings. By removing the requirement for bulky ductwork and air handling system, chill beams can save construction costs. Over time, they also require less maintenance, which can result in additional cost savings. Sustainability. Chilled beams employ water as a cooling medium rather than hazardous refrigerants, making them an environmentally being choice for cooling buildings. This can contribute to a more sustainable future by lowering the carbon footprints of buildings. Disadvantages: low cooling capacity. Chilled beams may not be appropriate for structures with significant cooling needs and are normally best suited for modest cooling loads. Condensation. If condensation from chill beams is not correctly controlled, it may result in moisture issues. This may result in problems like the formation of mold or damage to building components. Specialized design and installation. The specialist design and installation skill needed for chilled beams might raise the system's initial installation price. Inadequate installation or design can result in decreased performance or other problems. Restricted applicability in humid climates. Because chill beams require dry air to function properly, they may not be as effective in humid regions. This may restrict their sustainability for use in particular areas or kinds of structures. Maintenance requirement. Chill beams need routine maintenance to guarantee good operation and avoid problems like corrosion or microbiological growth. The system's ongoing expenses may increase as a result. Noise. While chilled beams normally operate more quietly than conventional HVAC systems, the flow of water through some versions may create some noise. This can be a problem in applications for buildings like bedrooms or conference room. Conclusion. In conclusion, chilled beams are a kind of HVAC system that can offer sustainable and energy efficient cooling for a variety of building types. They provide a number of benefits over conventional HVAC systems, including better air quality, less noise, and installation flexibility. Beams that have been chilled are especially well suited for structures with low humidity levels and moderate cooling demands. They might not be appropriate for all climates or building types and may need special installation knowledge. Chiller beams are becoming a more appealing alternative for sustainable building construction as a result of ongoing research and development aimed at enhancing their effectiveness and performance. References. Performance evaluation of active chill beams in comparison to all air systems is an educational building by S. Nazafi et al., published in the Energy and Building Journals on 15 September 2021. Experimental investigation of an active chill beam systems integrated with the ground source heat pump for heating and cooling in hot and humid climates by C.C. Young et al. Published in 1st October 2021. A review of chill beams energy performance in heating dominated climates by S. Azar. Development of an efficient integrated active chill beam and desiccant wheel system for energy efficient building cooling by M. Saburi et al. Numerical and experimental study on the thermal hydraulic performance of a novel ceiling mounted radiant cooling panel by Young. Chill beams and ceilings by Ashray. Chill beam technology advantages and challenges by R.J. Layson and J.W. Axley, published on October 2010. Thank you.